Okay, folks, this was the very last question on a GCSE Maths Foundation tier, so this is also appropriate for higher tier students as well. Okay, the equation of a straight line L, capital L in bold, is y is equal to 3 minus 4x. Part I, write down the gradient of L. So the gradient is the coefficient of x, the number in front of the x in the form or format y is equal to mx plus c. So let me rewrite the equation, okay, in a different form. So y is equal to minus 4x plus 3. Well, the number in front of the x, so the coefficient of x, is minus 4 or negative 4. So that is the gradient of line L. It's the number next to the x, the coefficient of x, the number in front of the x. Next up, write down the coordinates of the point. Well, L crosses the y-axis. Well, the y-axis is the line x equals 0. So I'm going to substitute in x equals 0 into my equation. When I do that, we get y is equal to 3 minus 4 times 0. Again, adopting our BIDMAS or BODMAS rules. 4 times 0 is 0, so we have 3 minus 0. 3 subtract 0, okay, 3 take away 0 is going to be 3. So the answer we get is 0, 3. Okay, so the plus c is where it crosses on the y-axis. So in this case, c is equal to 3, so it crosses the y-axis at positive 3. Now a rough sketch here, if you're wondering what this looks like as a rough sketch, which is an added bonus, is going to look something like that. Okay, again, it's not perfect, okay, I haven't got a ruler, so please forgive me. Okay, that is the x-axis, okay, that's the y-axis. It's got a negative gradient, okay, so it's got gradient minus 4, so it's going to be sloping down, but that is a rough sketch of what the straight line equation of L, okay, in the form or format of y is equal to 3 minus 4x, okay. To work out the x-intercept, you'd set y equal to 0 and then solve. So when you do that, you'll get 3/4. So it crosses the x-axis at 3/4 and it crosses the y-axis at positive 3 or plus 3.